Microsoft Power Platform. Introduction. The Microsoft Power Platform is a collection of tools and services designed to empower businesses to analyze data, build solutions, automate processes, and create virtual agents. It consists of 5 main components. 1. Power Apps. 2. Power BI. 3. Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow. 4. Power Virtual Agents. 5. Power Pages. 1. Power Apps. Power Apps constitutes a suite encompassing apps, services, and connectors, enabling the creation of tailored business applications without the need for coding. Key components. Canvas apps, custom application creation via drag-and-drop interface. Model-driven apps, data model-driven approach to app development. Cards, preview innovative component creation method. Microsoft Dataverse, cloud-based data storage for Power Apps data management. User-friendly design. Intuitive interface for both coders and non-coders. Capable of crafting applications from simple to complex. Promotes efficiency, saving time, and enhancing productivity. 2. Power BI. Power BI, a core part of the Microsoft Power Platform, focuses on business intelligence, offering diverse data visualization options like graphs, maps, and charts. Its user-friendly dashboard caters to professionals with varying levels of data expertise, making data analysis accessible. This platform amalgamates services, apps, and connectors to transform various data sources into interactive visualizations, supporting multiple data formats like spreadsheets, databases, and web pages. With templates for workflow creation and a drag-and-drop interface, Power BI connects seamlessly to numerous data sources, streamlining data handling and visualization. As a scalable solution, Power BI unifies self-service and enterprise-level business intelligence, enabling users to visualize any data and embed these visuals seamlessly into their daily applications, facilitating informed decision-making. 3. Power Automate. Power Automate, a cloud-based workflow service developed by Microsoft, empowers users to automate repetitive daily tasks across various applications and services. Offering an extensive array of templates, Power Automate allows users to craft workflows for tasks like email notifications upon file additions, file transfers between services, and task creation in project management tools. Custom workflows are easily designed through a drag-and-drop interface, connecting seamlessly to numerous data sources and services for enhanced flexibility. Power Automate caters to both coders and non-coders with its user-friendly design, accommodating tasks of varying complexities. It streamlines automation, boosting productivity across a wide range of tasks. 4. Power Virtual Agents. Power Virtual Agents redefine chatbot creation, offering an AI-driven solution for personalized bots. Efficiently managing routine inquiries, they free up staff to handle more intricate interactions. With an intuitive, no-code interface, teams effortlessly craft rich, conversational chatbots that integrate seamlessly with the team's platform. This platform simplifies bot deployment across various channels, serving as a fundamental tool for organizations of all sizes to leverage conversational AI. As part of Microsoft's innovative bot building suite, Power Virtual Agents enhance AI capabilities, fostering innovation and effortless customer engagement. 5. Power Pages. Power Pages constitute an integral part of the Microsoft Power Platform suite of tools. Functioning as a low-code website builder, it operates as a secure, enterprise-grade software as a service (SaaS) platform. Its primary purpose is to facilitate the creation, hosting, and administration of modern external-facing business websites. Power Pages subscriptions operate through distinct capacity packs, effectively superseding the previously offered Power Apps portals within Microsoft's suite of services. These packs cater to both authenticated and anonymous user requirements and are structured to grant access to a singular Power Pages website for the duration of a calendar month.